Do you need a lawyer after a slip and fall? Well, if you're injured, the answer is yes, especially if you're looking to file a claim. It seems like a slip and fall should be straightforward. You fell on someone else's property, they're at fault, right? Well, that's not the case. In the law, they're not strictly responsible for injuries that happen on their property. You have to prove that they were negligent. And in order to do this, there's a lot of different things you have to prove. One of the biggest things you have to prove is that there was a dangerous aspect to the property and that it was something that you didn't see and couldn't avoid, and that the owner had notice and they knew about this condition before you got there, but didn't do anything about it. Now, depending on where you fall, whether it's a store or a friend's house or a parking lot, there's also different rules and different types of liability that you have to be able to prove. And this is complicated. Not only are there witnesses that have to be brought forward and testimony from people who own the store or are at the location, but you also have to prove that your injuries are related to the actual fall, which can be difficult as well. So if you've been injured as a slip and fall, because they're so complex and harder to prove than you think, it's best to call a lawyer to make sure that you get the maximum compensation you deserve and find someone who can help prove your case.